Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple website using Notepad. To get started, if you want to open Notepad, I'm going to start with some of the tags. You're going to need an opening and closing tag for each tag that you do. So start off, your first and last are always going to be the HTML tags. We'll do a header tag, a closing header tag, and inside the head tag, we're going to have our title. We could just name it. What do we want it? My website's fine. And then right there, that closes it. I like to keep this separated so I know. After the head tag, let's just do the body tag. We'll start with that. We won't put in anything in it right yet. Close the body tag. That's where everything's going to be, inside the body tag. So now let's save this as right here. We'll just call it, well, they call it index. Normally home pages are called index. Make sure you do .html, and that saves it as an internet file. So let's save that. Now if you open your file, mine was on documents. Right here, it'll open up. It should be blank. Yeah, it's blank. But as you see up here, there's the title of the website, what we just created, my website. So let's come back here, and now that you have the body tag, let's give it a background color. So inside the body starting tag, we're going to do BG color equals, give it a color. You could do blue. You just say a color. It has all the simple colors, and then text we're going to do white. So after stating that, the background should be blue, and any text that we put in the body tag should be white. So let's start off with a header. So if you do H1, that's the biggest header you can have. Let's just we'll do hello world. It's computer science stuff. So now if you save, you're going to reload the page. Alright, as you can see, hello world's in white and the background's in blue. So that's something to get started there. Next thing, we're going to have a paragraph. Let's create a paragraph. Now the letters are a lot smaller in the paragraph. What could we say? There's a simple paragraph. Now let's give it a little boost here. If you put a bold tag around it, make sure you close it as well. Now that makes it bold, just a little B, and then also another tag around it, center tag, to make it center in your page. Close there, save this. Just reload it down here. So there you see it's in the center of the page. It's small, so you can't really tell that's bold, but it is. Alright, so that's how you create a paragraph. And another thing, we're going to do an image. First you're going to do img image, and then space src, which is source, and then you're going to go to a website where you want the picture to be from. So we'll put this right here. We'll go Google. Just type in picture, see what comes up, go to the images, and all you have to do is put in the URL. We'll get this monkey's face. Come on. Too much clicking. Let's go view image. Alright, so let's copy that. And then we'll paste that inside that right there. Alright, now I just spaced that out there so you can see it. And then before you close the image, let's actually give it a width and height. If you just want to space and then do width equals, we'll go 300, and then height equals, we'll go just 200 for now. And then if you want to do an alt equals, this is what you call it, so we'll just call it pic. And then closing your image tag. Save this, see what it looks like. There's your image. It's a great little image. Now you can resize it any way you like. Now if I put a center tag, around that and save that. See if it centers. Boom, went to the center. Last thing I'm going to show you is how to create a link. An anchor tag. So an anchor tag is just an A, and then the link is href equals, you could just do http, this you could get any website to the link. It's going to be a button. Just do google.com, and we'll give it a style. You can do it any style you'd like. So what color? We'll have it, let's go white. So make sure you put a semicolon after white though, ending tag, and then whatever you want it to say, the button to say. So we'll just do Google, and then close your anchor tag. And then that should be a link if you want to click save. Let's go back to it. It should show up over on the left. Yeah, right here. So if you click that, it should go to Google, and it does. So that's simple. You guys can mess more around with it if you want. Just make sure all your tags have their closing tags, and make sure you save it as an HTML file. That's basically it. Thank you, and I'll see you guys.